ICT for MFL conference.
My workshop outcomes from the ICT for MFL conference. PhotoSpeak.
So here I am at the Digital Tools in MFL conference trying out PhotoSpeak.
iFunface.
Okay, so I'm recording right now and I'm wondering what I'm doing in this picture. I appear to be in Joe Dale's workshop and my head is going from side to side. And what is this app that we're using right now? It's an app called iFunface and it would be great for promoting speaking, particularly pair work, in the languages classroom. Cool!
Superhero comic book maker.
Okay, so I'm the first monster and I'm wondering what I'm doing in this room. Well, obviously in this session we're talking about talking avatars in MFL. Ooh, that sounds interesting. Yes, and with this particular app you can get two people to talk to each other. Ooh, and you could do that in the target language. Exactly. Wonderful stuff.
iMotion.
ICT for MFL.
PicsArt Animator.
ICT for MFL.
Filters and labels.
Thank you for coming to my workshop.
Multilingual live titles.
Le week-end dernier, je suis allé au cinéma.